That sound. The sound of evidence. The sound of a lie being exposed. In 2026, a dashcam isn't an accessory, it's your first line of defense. But which one actually works when it matters? I drove thousands of miles, day and night, in rain and blinding sun, testing 15 of the latest models. Most failed the moment things got tough. Blurry plates, missed incidents, dead batteries. But one didn't just record. It captured a hit and run in crystal clear 4K, leading to an arrest. If your safety is worth less than a tank of gas, click away. But if you want to see which camera is the undeniable guardian for 2026, you need to watch this. Number 1. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. The pocket-sized dash camera is designed to blend seamlessly into your vehicle's interior, ensuring it remains unobtrusive on your windshield while providing crucial safety features. This innovative device automatically records and saves video footage of any incidents that occur, complete with GPS location data, date, and time stamps. This feature is vital for providing evidence in case of accidents or disputes. Equipped with an impressive extra-wide 180-degree lens, the dash camera captures a broader view of your surroundings. It records in stunning 1440p HD video quality, utilizing Garmin Clarity HDR optics to deliver crisp and clear detail, no matter the time of day or night. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The car key-size dash camera is designed to be discreetly mounted behind your vehicle's rearview mirror, ensuring that it blends in seamlessly and goes virtually unnoticed. This innovative design not only provides a subtle appearance but also serves a crucial function by automatically recording and saving video footage of any incidents that may occur while driving. Capturing images through its wide 140-degree lens, the camera records high-definition 1080p video and is equipped with Garmin Clarity HDR optics. This technology enhances the clarity and detail of the footage, ensuring that videos are crisp and clear, regardless of the lighting conditions, whether during the day or night. For added convenience, the dash camera is equipped with voice control features, allowing users to issue spoken commands. Number 3. Vantrue N43. The N4 is an advanced triple-channel dash cam designed to provide comprehensive coverage of your vehicle from multiple angles. Equipped with an impressive 155 degrees front camera, a 165 degrees interior camera, and a 160 degrees rear camera, it allows for simultaneous monitoring of the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle. This extensive coverage is particularly valuable for protecting yourself from potential accidents and liability issues that may arise on the road. The dashcam captures high-resolution video at 1440p for both the front and interior cameras, and 1080p for the rear camera. Additionally, it comes with a free GPS player that features a zoom-in function, allowing for high-resolution images that effectively capture critical details, such as license plates, which can be crucial in the event of a dispute or accident. When operating in front and rear dual recording mode, the N4 offers a stunning 4K 2160p resolution from the front camera alongside a 1080p resolution from the rear camera. Number 4. Insta360 X3. The X3 is an advanced camera designed for capturing stunning 5.7K 360 active HDR video, ensuring that no detail is missed during fast-paced action scenes. One of its standout features is the ability to choose different angles after shooting, thanks to the intuitive reframing tools available in the AI-driven Insta360 app. This versatility allows users to experience moments from multiple perspectives without needing to reposition the camera during recording. Equipped with dual 1/2 48MP sensors, the X3 excels in delivering high-resolution imagery with improved clarity and detail, particularly in challenging low-light conditions. Number 5. Garmin Dash Cam Live. Always-on LTE connection provides continuous access to a live video feed, allowing you to monitor your vehicle in real time and share recorded footage at any time through the Garmin Drive smartphone app. This feature ensures that you stay connected and informed about your vehicle's status even when you're not physically present. However, it is important to note that maintaining an always-on connection requires an active LTE subscription. Additionally, be aware that some jurisdictions may have regulations that prohibit the use of this camera device for certain purposes. For added security and peace of mind, the device comes equipped with various vehicle surveillance features. This includes location tracking, which allows you to keep tabs on your vehicle's whereabouts, and theft alerts that notify you if unauthorized movement is detected. The parking guard feature enhances security by sending notifications to your smartphone regarding any incidents that occur while your vehicle is parked. This feature also necessitates an active LTE subscription, and in some cases, your vehicle may require a constant power supply, which can be purchased separately.